Children, once again welcome back to your EBS online class. I am Asha Santosh, your EBS teacher. Hope all are reading your textbook. Are you writing your notes in your notebook? Very good. Take your own time and write neatly. Okay. Here we are discussing about our fourth chapter. What is our fourth chapter? Yes, saving the environment. What all things we have discussed in our previous class? Do you remember that? Yes, we have discussed about our environment. What all things are included in the environment? Yes, living and non-living things. Now you all know what is living thing and what is non-living thing, isn't it? Yes. Everything in the environment are interconnected. So hope all of you understood this much. Then let us start today's topic. Before that, I am going to show you some pictures. Just watch it. Cut.
What do you feel when you see all these pictures? We often see piles of garbage lying on roadsides. We see clouds of smoke coming out of factories. We also see water bodies with garbage floating on them. All these show that we are polluting the environment. So children, today's topic is pollution.
Children, what do you do with an empty chocolate wrapper? Or what do you do with an empty chips packet? Yes, we will put the empty covers inside the waste bin, isn't it? If you are doing so, you are a good child. Some people will put the waste on the road or in the place where they are sitting. Did you notice that? Yes. Is it a good habit? No, it is not a good habit. Then let me ask another question. How many of you having vehicles in your home? Yes, many of us having vehicles in our home.
The smoke which is coming out from the vehicles while moving will pollute the air. We also see water bodies with garbage floating on them.
So children, all these activities will pollute our environment. So what is meant by pollution? Let's see.
The addition of harmful substances to air, soil or water is called pollution.
Pollution of the environment is of three main types. They are land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. Today we are going to discuss about land pollution or soil pollution. So children, what is meant by land pollution? Land pollution is the destruction of the earth's surface and soil as a result of human activities. Which all human activities affect the land or pollute the land? Let's check.
Deforestation. What is meant by deforestation? The cutting down of a large number of trees in forests. Next is the use of fertilizers by farmers. What is meant by fertilizer? Fertilizer is a substance, usually a chemical, added to the soil to increase the production of crops. Mining of land for minerals. What is meant by mineral? Mineral is a natural substance found in rocks. We use minerals for making many useful things. These are some examples for minerals. Then overflowing of untreated sewage. Sewage means human waste in liquid and solid form that flows through sewers or drains. And piling up of garbage and human waste. These are the main human activities which leads to the land pollution. Then what are the effects of land pollution? Let's see. Land pollution destroys the soil. As a result, the soil can no longer be used to grow crops. It also makes the soil harmful. If we consume the crops grown in this soil, we can develop serious health problems. So children, we will get back double the quantity of whatever we give to the environment. So, do good things for our environment. Don't pollute it.
So children, today we have discussed about 3 types of pollutions. Which are they? Yes, land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. We have discussed about land pollution in detail. What are the causes of land pollution? Yes, the first one is deforestation, that means cutting down of trees. Second one, use of fertilizers. Then third one, mining. Then fourth one, overflowing of untreated waste. Then the last one, piling up of garbage. Okay. What is the result of soil pollution then? It will destroy the soil. We cannot cultivate any crops in that polluted soil.
If we consume the crops grown in this soil, we can develop serious health problems.
Let us conclude today's session. Read the lesson, write the notes and study it. Which all notes you have to study from this topic, I will mention below as usual. We'll see you in our next class. Take care and goodbye.